out here at the Appomattox River Water Authority. Came out here and ate me some crabs and a little piece of chicken. Now I'm just sitting here relaxing, taking it easy. You're stronger than the moment, you just gotta believe. I celebrate me for everything I survive, all the storms I walk through. Still I'm here.